You're not unattractive. The true issue is 7 harmful habits that are ruining your face every single day and you don't even realize it. The bad news, if you don't address them now, you'll continue aging faster than you should. So in this video, I'll reveal exactly what those 7 habits are and how to correct them. The good news, the solutions are straightforward and you'll begin seeing results in just weeks. Let's dive in. 1. Touching your face. This is one of the most common bad habits. You probably don't even notice it, but you're touching your face 30 to 50 times a day. Scratching, resting your chin on your hand, rubbing your eyes, it all adds up. Here's the problem. Your hands are dirty. You touch your phone, your desk, door handles, random objects all day. That dirt and bacteria transfer directly to your skin when you touch your face. The result? Pimples, clogged pores, oily skin. And the worst part is you won't even realize this is what is causing your breakouts. So, what's the fix? Simple. Become aware. Every time you feel like touching your face, stop yourself. Wash your hands more often and keep them away from your skin. The less you touch, the clearer your skin will get. 2. Chewing on one side. This one's surprising because it actually alters your face structure over time. If you always chew gum, food or snacks on only one side of your mouth, that side of your jaw becomes more developed than the other. Over years, this creates facial asymmetry. Your face starts to look uneven, and asymmetry is one of the biggest killers of attractiveness. Even small differences, like one cheek looking fuller than the other, make your face look off. The solution? Start chewing evenly. If you chew gum, switch sides every few minutes. Same with food. Train yourself to use both sides. Over time, this keeps your jaw balanced and your face looking sharp and symmetrical. 3. Not getting enough sun exposure. Your body needs sunlight, not just for vitamin D, but for testosterone, energy, and your skin's glow. If you're always locked inside your room gaming or scrolling on your phone, your skin will look pale and lifeless. Your eyes get dull, your mood drops, and you lose that healthy masculine aura. Compare 2 guys, one who spends time outdoors, one who doesn't. The outdoor guy has a natural tan, bright eyes, more energy in his body language. The indoor guy looks tired, pale, and weak. Who do you think women will notice more? You don't need to sunbathe for hours. Just 15 to 20 minutes of sunlight daily is enough. Go for a walk in the morning, do your workouts outside, or just sit on the balcony. Your skin will glow, your testosterone will rise, and your face will look alive again. But make sure to apply sunscreen. 4. Bad sleep. Sleep is literally where your body repairs itself. When you skip it, you don't just feel tired, you look tired. Dark circles, puffy eyes, dull skin, and there are many long-term effects. Think about it. When was the last time you looked in the mirror after an all-nighter? Your face looks swollen, your skin looks lifeless. Now imagine doing that to your body every single night. That's what most guys are doing without realizing it. Fix your sleep, aim for 7 to 8 hours. Go to bed at the same time every night. And most importantly, cut out screens an hour before sleeping. Your phone is killing your melatonin. Good sleep equals clear skin, a fresh face, and a sharper jawline. 5. Too much caffeine. Don't get me wrong, coffee itself isn't evil. In small amounts, it's fine. But when you're drinking 3 to 4 cups a day just to survive, you're doing serious damage. First, caffeine dehydrates you. Less water in your system means your skin looks dry, tired, and older than it really is. Second, too much caffeine ruins your sleep, which we just discussed. And third, relying on caffeine kills your natural energy. You look jittery instead of confident. If you want to look fresh, limit it. 1 cup of coffee a day, max 2. And for every cup, drink a glass of water to balance it. Real energy should come from good food, sleep, and exercise, not from chugging coffee all day. 6. High stress. Stress is a silent killer, not just for your health, but also your looks. High stress increases cortisol, and that does 3 ugly things. It makes you store fat, it ruins your skin, and it lowers your testosterone. Ever noticed how during exam season or tough times you break out more, look more tired, and feel weaker? That's stress showing up on your face. The fix isn't to avoid stress completely. You can't, but you can manage it. Work out, meditate, go for walks, spend time with friends, find outlets that calm your mind. The calmer you are, the better your face and body will look. Stress literally ages you. Kill stress and you'll look younger and sharper. 7. Blaming genetics instead of improving. This is the worst habit of them all. So many guys look in the mirror, see flaws, and instantly say, it's genetics. I can't change it. That mindset itself is what's keeping you unattractive. Sure, genetics set your base, but your diet, fitness, skincare, hairstyle, sleep, and habits decide how much of your potential you actually show. Look at any transformation photo online. You'll see guys who went from average to model tier. Do you think all of them had perfect genetics? No, they just worked on what they could control. The truth is, 80% of your looks are in your hands. Stop blaming genetics. Start improving. Hit the gym, fix your diet, sleep well, dress better, groom yourself. That's how you unlock your real face. That's it. If you want more videos like this in the future, then make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that bell icon.